Hi, everyone. In case you don't know, or in case you've forgotten, my name is Katie Evans. I'm the owner and lead agent of the Living 48 real estate team, and you are receiving this email today because you're a part of our world somehow. You've either met us at an open house or as an online lead, or you've done business with us in the past. The purpose of this video today is just to say thank you. So here we are right about the time of the Thanksgiving holiday, and it feels really appropriate to take just a few moments to express our gratitude to you and for the support that you've given us and our team and our families over the last several years. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for all of your support, your love, your well wishes, your referrals, your business, all of the things that you have done to be a part of our world over these last few years. We are really, really grateful for you. I am really, really grateful for you. So as you know, we have just been through a crazy real estate market here over the last several years in Arizona specifically, but really across the nation. And we are going to be entering into something more of a skills-based market where you're going to be looking to partner with really financial experts in all areas of your life. And so I want to again thank you for having chosen me and my team to be your real estate financial guides over the last several years. We will continue to learn. We will continue to work hard on our skill set so that we will be the best agents, the best consultants, the best advisor for you in your real estate endeavors and in your real estate goals. If there is anything that we can do for you, any of your friends or family, we want to be here for you for that. So thank you for considering us. Thank you for sharing our message with those around us, and thank you for just being a part of our world. Happy Thanksgiving from our family to yours. We wish you the very, very happiest of holidays, and we will see you in 2023.